A community coping with tragedy. Tonight, we take a closer look at the emotional fallout of the mass shooting in Monterey Park.
Well, how does one deal with the trauma? Tonight in Mental Health Monday, KCAL News anchor Amy Johnson takes a look at the process of helping our community and children heal.
Whether you're near or far, whatever your ethnicity, when a mass shooting happens,
it really can impact all aspects of the community.
At Kaiser Permanente's mental health clinic in Fontana, Chief of Child and Adolescent Psychiatry Ashley Zucker says coping with trauma is top of mind.
It can be very challenging for people to really process how something so tragic could happen at a time where people are celebrating and really embracing the new year.
The advice she'll be giving to the parents of her young patients: no matter how much you want to shield them, you can't.
It's important to recognize that our kids are going to see, they're going to hear about this, whether it's on TV, social media, or at school or in their communities. And so what's very important is that as parents, as caregivers, that we're engaging our children in conversations.
Start with questions.
What have you heard about? What do you know about? What questions do you have about what happened? Can really allow them to feel in control of the conversation.
And if kids say nothing,
we leave that door open. So I understand you don't want to talk about it right now, but if you ever want to have any questions, I'm here for you.
In people of all ages.
The symbolism of it happening on Lunar New Year can't be ignored, and the impact that that has for folks who are celebrating that holiday. Nobody wants to be scared, stressed, anxious, or living in fear, but I think this will be hard to not tie back to this holiday in the future, which is really unfortunate.
Best way to support those most traumatized:
making sure that they're getting the help and the support that they need, knowing that across the country people are concerned about them, that are caring for them, that are worried about them and want to be there for them. I hope they feel that support.
And being there for someone cannot be overstated. We have links to mental health resources at our website, kcalnews.com.